Ever wondered how to transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece? Welcome to a world where the art of cooking is not just a necessity, but an adventure. Here on our channel, we're all about that journey. From the humble beginnings of fresh produce and aromatic spices to the final, tantalizing creation that makes your taste buds dance. We'll be taking you through a diverse range of recipes, each one a symphony of flavors waiting to be explored. From the rich, hearty stews that comfort us on a cold, rainy night, to the light, refreshing salads that cool us down on a hot summer's day, our channel has it all. We'll also delve into the techniques that can take your cooking from good to great, because it's not just about following a recipe, it's about understanding the why and the how. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary journey? Welcome to a world of taste exploration and culinary creativity. Today, we are going to create a dish that tantalizes the taste buds and warms the heart. Imagine a symphony, each instrument playing its part to create a harmonious melody. That's what we're doing here, but our instruments are flavors and our melody is a delightful dish. Our journey begins with fresh, vibrant ingredients, each one hand-picked for their quality and flavor. Like the string section of a symphony, they lay the foundation for our culinary composition. The crunch of garden-fresh vegetables, the richness of sun-ripened fruits, the earthiness of hand-picked herbs. These are the notes we start with. Next, we introduce our technique, the rhythm that guides our symphony. The sizzle of a hot pan, the gentle simmer of a slow-cooked stew, the aromatic sauté of onions and garlic. These are the beats that drive our melody. Like a skilled conductor, we guide these rhythms, controlling the heat, the timing, and the order in which we introduce our ingredients. But a symphony isn't just about the notes and the rhythm, it's about the emotion, the story it tells. And so is our dish. Each ingredient, each technique we use has a story. Maybe it's a recipe passed down through generations, a comfort food from your childhood, or a dish inspired by a memorable trip. This story adds depth and richness to our dish, turning it from a meal into an experience. As we plate our dish, we reach the crescendo of our symphony. The colors, the arrangement, the garnishes, all play their part in this final act. Like the powerful end of a symphony, our dish is a sight to behold, a feast for the eyes as much as it is for the palate. And there you have it, a dish that's more than just a meal. It's an experience. A symphony of flavors, a concert of culinary craft, a melody that sings on your taste buds. So pick up your forks and let's dive into this delicious symphony together. No meal is complete without a touch of sweetness. It's the grand finale, the encore, the sweet symphony that wraps up a culinary concert. Imagine biting into a cloud-like mousse or a rich, velvety cheesecake. Picture the joy of a perfectly baked apple pie, its crust golden and flaky, its filling warm and comforting. Consider the delicate art of a macaron, its crisp shell giving way to a soft, chewy interior. These are not just desserts. They are the results of skill, patience, and a dash of creativity. Each one a masterpiece, a testament to the art of baking. From the precision of weighing ingredients to the finesse of presentation, these sweet treats are as delightful to create as they are to consume. In the world of desserts, variety is the spice of life, and there's always room for more. Remember, in the world of desserts, there's always room for more. Ready to embark on your own culinary adventure? It's time to roll up those sleeves, unleash your creativity, and let your taste buds explore. We're here to guide you every step of the way, from the first chop of the knife to the last garnish on the plate. So why not try the recipe or technique we demonstrated today? Remember, cooking isn't just about feeding your body. It's about satisfying your soul, expressing your creativity, and spreading joy to those around you. Whether you're perfecting an old favorite or trying something entirely new, each dish you create is a testament to your passion, your skill, and your unique culinary voice. So what are you waiting for? The kitchen is your stage and the ingredients your co-stars. It's time to take the spotlight. Don't wait another minute. Dive into the world of cooking and unleash the chef within you.